Alrighty, y'all. Welcome back to Nick's HandyMan Services and Renovations. Today, we'll be taking care of some horse stalls, fixing, repairing, getting them ready for use again. Windy as fuck out here today. See if this bitch will catch or not. One of them too. Alright, are you ready to drill through this bitch?
You look at them, they're sizing them up already. The donkeys are sizing the kids up already.
I know them donkeys pussy as fuck, dude. I need that, I need the drill. Yeah, they're over there on the back of my trailer. The drill bit's on the back of my trailer. If you go in the trailer, you'll see it on top of where the battery chargers are. God damn, man. Look at these fucking donkeys. Man, you see them little bastards? Let's just see this shit. Look at them little fuckers. Right? Over here staring at my kids. That video ain't gonna be this one, though. This one ain't gonna be the viral one. I think I made a goddamn screw. Oh. How do you be? Get out. Oh. Like out every night? See, I mean, I do. Yeah, yeah. And do you have the wrench? 2 seconds? Alright. Good old horse stables. Thank you, sir. Shit, man.
Shit, man. Shit, I did do, man.
Not bad. Not bad for a couple of fucking retards. So, and then we can set this beam here. We're gonna have to flip it. All right. Hang on. Gotta move all this shit out of my way. All right. Ready? Yep. Gotta go up. Right there. I'm gonna have to hammer this shit back out and fix it.
I'm not flush though.
Huh? I'm not flush either. I gotta bend this out and then I can push it to you more. We're gonna put it right there. Screw these fuckers in real quick. Damn, I gotta put old screws in one pocket and new screws in the other. That was just fucked up. Damn, you heard me fucking slip like that? Goddamn newbie. Fucking take the tools away. Alright, now we gotta get you done up there.
Yeah, throw me the drill and a couple screws out to tag her in. Or the nail gun, whatever you want to do.
I'm bringing a couple screws in. Here's one of them. I might need to go get more screws. Yeah, I gotta go get some more screws. Oh, hush up. Softer than a blanket. I eat a handful of them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you motherfucker. Alright, I got you. You come down one, I'll go up one. There you go. Alright. Gotta find a good spot to set you guys up at. Now that I gotta start replacing all of these broken ones. The whole 2 row that's missing. Yeah. Hurricane Helene tore it apart. I'm here to fix it 7 months later. Oh man. Owner said that they built this thing in a weekend. He tells me it's put together by hopes and dreams. And here I am, fucking monkeying across this shit. I bet y'all in the comments gonna say, stand up, be a man. Motherfucker, do you see how windy it is out here? And how unstable this motherfucker is? I'm just here for repairs. Safety's key. I don't know why he left it all the fuck over here, but I guess it don't really matter. Oof, my ass crack's hanging out. That's your fault for watching. Let me fix it for y'all though. Normally always is. And I need a hook, but ain't got one, so you're gonna take that bitch off. Flip her on in there. Whoa. This shaky motherfucker here. Alright. Let's see here. All of those look good. These will all be new. I got 1, 2, I got 3 to actually replace and then all new ones to put on. What is that? Nah, the 1x4s are underneath here. You just got them from Home Depot. Shit, you was searching for a while. Should have said something, Bubba. Shit, y'all about to fall the fuck over. I'm watching the wind blow your ass. I'm coming back. Here we go. Damn. I should have went back on that other one. This one has nails all over. Okay. Ideally, fix all of those motherfuckers there.
Hey, you want the circular saw so you can cut them pieces off?
Yes, sir. Oh, you motherfucker. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Not between them, on them. Fuck, dude. Oh, dude. Hotter than Demi Lovato's fucking spoon 4 years ago. I'll tell you what. It is hotter than them people that fucking fake them FEMA funds. Can't talk about that, man. It's inappropriate. I don't see it, but I'm gonna fucking start it. Because it fucking needs it.
Yeah, they don't have one there. They have one up. Keep going up.
I know it's way up there, but...
Yeah, I'd follow suit, dude.
Oh, shit. I better lose my fucking belt. My little fat ass waist. Pop that bitch off again. There we go. Hang it in the front like a nutsack.
Oh, wait a minute. No. Yeah, that one wrong. Yeah.
No, it's all the way up there. It's right there.
Yeah, right there. Oh.
It's just so far gapped, though. You see what I'm saying?
The other side's the same exact way.
No. Got them. Okay. Holy shit. And everybody want to live on a fucking farm until you're in the middle of the goddamn field. No, you can't even fucking hide from the goddamn sun in Florida. Oh. Shit'll eat your ass alive out here. I know I'm gonna need this hammer because we got some nails right there.
And you're gonna need the saw, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, you wanna throw that up to me kindly, please? Oh shit, I got it. Do you have some screws for anybody? Okay. Okay. God damn. Fucking 2 for 5.
All in the fucking good zone, dude.
That eye hand coordination is fucking shit. Whose fault is that, mine or yours? They were all pretty good throws.
They were kind of in the zone.
I was about to say, they were all pretty good throws, so.
There was anything you didn't really have to stretch for.
Holy shit, the wind just caught me about flew the fuck off this hoe. Dude, I feel my whole body sway. Holy shit.
Dude, I used to do window things 60 stories up.
That was a good little heart attack.
Oh, yeah. Bank of America, downtown Atlanta, 60 stories.
For real? Just barely. Ha, sucker! Man, you look bad. Hey, I'll do a favor. Super slow down, over. Thank you. It's all like you should do it directly in the now and get everything. And honestly, I think we're gonna take that other piece off today, right there. That's really. Oh shit, we're gonna try this again. Failed. Failed. Caught that one. Failed. Alright, man. 1 out of 4 ain't bad. Failed. Got it. I ain't ready for these hoes.
Maybe you need to put a magnet on your fucking hand.
Why don't you just fucking hand them to me, god damn it. Dude. I got 3 out of like the 15 you just threw. Have fun finding them hoes. That's fucking crazy. Damn, bitch, stop moving.